In this video, I will guide you on how to screen mirror an iPad to Roku TV so that you can view all of your videos, photos and other content from your iPad on any Roku TV you have. Over here, I do have a TCL Roku TV, but this should work out for literally any Roku TV you have, whether it's a Hisense Roku TV, Onn or Onn Roku TV, or literally any brand of Roku TV. And the first thing you need to do is to make sure that both your iPad and your Roku TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So on my iPad over here, if I swipe down through this control center, you can see that I am currently connected to a Wi-Fi network. And if I open it up and then go over to my Wi-Fi, you can literally see the network I am currently connected to. You want to make sure that your Roku TV is also connected to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. You can simply just go over to the settings of your Roku TV and then to the network settings from over here. Scroll down to setup connection, then wireless. And now you also want to make sure you connect to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network on your Roku TV as well. Now, as soon as it is connected, the next thing you want to do is to go back to the home of your Roku TV and then back to the settings again. You want to scroll all the way down until you find the Apple AirPlay or AirPlay and HomeKit settings, as you can see from over here. Go ahead and select on it to open it up. And then from here, you want to make sure that AirPlay is turned on your Roku TV. Finally, you want to come over to your iPad, swipe down through the control center from over here, and you're going to see the screen mirroring or screencast icon, which is basically these two boxes stacked up on each other. So go ahead and select on it. Give it a couple of seconds and it should be able to find the name of your Roku TV from over here. If you do not see the name of your Roku TV, you can try to reset paired device. So scroll down to reset paired device, try to reset all of the paired device, and then you can come back here and try to connect to your Roku TV again. In my case, I will just go ahead and select on it. Give it a couple of seconds. You need to enter this code on your Roku TV inside of the input field over here. So I'll go ahead and enter mine. And as soon as you're done, you want to tap on the OK button. And now my iPad has been mirrored to my Roku TV, and this works absolutely well. So you can see that it works absolutely well. So I can go ahead and open up my phone's gallery, watch my videos, and it is actually pretty fast as well. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.